More and more people from all around the world are looking for ways to create income working from home. The economy is changing fast, and these times require more creativity to meet all of life's demands. What if there was a way you could plug into a system that taught you how to profit from the current financial markets? Imagine a solution where you could build your financial future without ever having to leave your home. What if market uncertainty was actually a good thing for people who've learned how to place the right trades at the right time? What if you could receive these same alerts right to your mobile phone that pointed out where the market was going before it actually happened? Well, you no longer have to ask, what if? Combining proven market analysis, simple-to-use technology, and step-by-step education from real coaches who have already helped thousands of people just like you, Avoria Prime is on a mission to spread the word about how now, more than ever before, is your time to grow, to learn, and to create the right plan for your long-term financial future. So many have come before you and created their own success. What are you waiting for? Take control. Reach out to the person who shared this video with you to learn how Avoria Prime may just be the opportunity you've been looking for. Avoria Prime, your legacy.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are in internet world. We appreciate you for tuning in. Listen, you could have been doing a million different things, but you decided to be here because the person that invited you is probably having some massive success trading right now with artificial intelligence trading software. Just a little bit of background about myself. I'm a cybersecurity specialist, and I've been a trader now for a little over a year and a half. And one of the biggest things that I was looking for in my personal trading journey was some consistency with my profitability. Myself and my partner, Mr. Compound Corey Brown, used to spend numerous hours in the middle of the night trying to draw support lines, resistance, just trying to scan the market for the right entries for us to get into so that way we could take profits. But then when I realized that the amount of time that we were actually spending didn't add up to the amount of profits that we were taking in, I knew that there had to be a better way. So I had to find out a way that I could start working smarter instead of working harder, or a way that I could actually leverage a technology, because I still like to trade, but I needed something that would help leverage my time back. And then once I was introduced into artificial intelligence, I finally started to see the quality of income that I was looking for. So let's go ahead and get started. I would be remiss if I didn't put up the income disclosure. Trading or using Forex analysis tools and software to assist you carries a level of risk. Only trade with capital that you can afford to lose, and the information contained in this presentation is for informational purposes only. One should evaluate their own personal risk tolerance and financial situation before trading. So let's get started. What exactly is Forex? Forex is short for the foreign exchange market, which is the largest financial market in the world at $6 trillion worth of transactions per day. This is the largest financial market that you can tap into, where various currencies are traded. You don't need a lot of capital to get started trading in this market. So you don't have to be an accredited investor or have to have $100,000 just to get a seat at the table. You can actually start trading live with this software with as little as $250 in your live broker account. You can trade Forex from anywhere in the world and start to profit like the banks do and the wealthy. This is a little bit of background about the foreign exchange market in comparison to other markets. You have the stock exchange, equities, and futures, which are all beautiful billion-dollar markets, but the foreign exchange market is overall encompassing of them all at $6 trillion worth of transactions per day, and overall encompassing of stocks, cryptocurrencies, and foreign exchange currencies as well. In the bottom right-hand corner, you see the major currency pairs that are traded in the Forex market, such as the euro, the United States dollar, Great British pound, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, and so forth. These are major currencies that are traded that we use to make profits from buying and selling in this market. So why do most people actually fail in Forex? First and foremost, most people just don't have the time to spend to study all day and all night. Like I said, for myself and Corey, we spent a lot of time trying to find the right entry points and study to get the right entry points so we could take profit. But we realized that the amount of time that we were spending didn't work. So we had to find a better way. And now that artificial intelligence is doing the heavy lifting for us, we can now start to earn while we learn. Most people just struggle to manage their emotions during trading and therefore make poor decisions, such as people will be over trading. They will end up blowing up their accounts because they're over leveraging themselves, or even worse, they'll fall asleep without having a stop loss set. And when they wake up, it could be a bad day for them. Most people just don't have access to proven coaches and systems. And at Compound Trading and Avoid Your Prime, we pride ourselves on putting people in a situation to truly earn while they learn. And we had to ask ourselves, how can we overcome the most common traits that cause the masses to fail in the Forex market? We had to research many different Forex technology developers and had to come up with the best solution of a user-friendly tool that would not only be profitable for experienced traders, but for beginner traders that were fresh into this market, beginner, new to trading, didn't know anything about the Forex background or trading in general. We needed a long history of success to show that there was a proven track record of success and the least amount of capital to get started. And my favorite, with very little time to trade, because we all have priorities and we all have other things that we have to attend to, but we would all still like to profit in the $6 trillion per day market. And so why do most people succeed with AP? First and foremost, one is this gentleman right here, Steve Vetterall. He is a licensed financial advisor with over 18 years of foreign exchange experience. He actually hosts a weekly call giving us the forecast of the markets, any type of volatility going on, as well as what he's trading on his own personal software. And then who better not to hear it from the horse's mouth themselves? We have the actual software developers in our back pockets that are hosting live calls weekly, recorded calls that are on Vimeo and YouTube that put us in position to truly profit in this market. They let us know how they're running the software on their own personal accounts based on market volatility. And then we have the beautiful Adeze Duncan, who is the director of Forex education, leading the force, teaching folks what is a stop loss, what is a take profit, giving folks the foundation that they need to truly become a proficient trader in this market. So what are the benefits of actually having the software? You have access to the AP marketplace, which is overall encompassing of the trainings, calls from the software developers, as well as Steve Vetterall, and just the foundation of how to get the software set up to your account to make trades seamlessly to get you started going on day 1, day 2, day 3 of seeing profits in your trading account. You can switch to tools and strategies on a weekly basis with one low monthly subscription of $99 a month plus your $20 VPS, which stands for Virtual Private Server, which is basically a computer and a computer that is running for you 24 hours a day, 5 days a week during the trading week. You can manage the software trades right from your mobile phone, which I will show in the next video, and your money stays in your personal broker account at all times. This is my favorite. Think of it as an E-Trade, Ameritrade, or even a Cash App account. The money stays in your personal account at all times to be able to be withdrawn whenever you so choose to. User-friendly trading with an approve and decline button, which is everyone's favorite. And we offer live education and coaching to help you every step of the way. And last but not least, you can test the software without using any real money on demonstration for 2 weeks for $30. This is actually what gave me the confidence that I needed to get started to trade in this market again with artificial intelligence, because this started to give me the confidence when I saw profits were coming in, my stop loss was set for me, my take profit was set for me, and all I had to do was hit a green button and I was off to the races. I like to call these my employees because you actually have the opportunity to diversify with 4 different softwares running at one given time. So we have up to 4 softwares running for you at $396 a month, up to 1 software working for you at $99 a month, which is phenomenal because they don't have to take a COVID test. They never come late to work, and they're always working on my behalf, on my best interest to bring in profits. And this is a video to actually show you how seamless it is for us to start taking in profits with artificial intelligence.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are in the world. This is your boy Tony D, tuning in live from the DMV, and welcome to Compound Trading, your one-stop shop for wealth building and artificial intelligence trading software. I just wanted to give you a sneak peek to how seamless it is to start accepting trades from my cell phone with this AI software. We would usually spend about 15 to 25 minutes on a Sunday getting prepared. We would drag our software on top of our chart, and once we allow for modifications to happen, we're in play. All I would do is I would go to my software notifications and refresh, and I have a software opportunity waiting for me. And just to show you how seamless it is, the software notifications will start running from my cell phone. Just like magic, Welcome to DMV Compound Trading, your one-stop shop for artificial intelligence trading software. I'll see you soon.
Now, I can't make this stuff up. When I say that we truly spend about 15 to 25 minutes after we've listened to one of the calls from Steve Vetterall, just giving us the market volatility for the week, it truly puts us in position to have the confidence to get started trading. So take control of your future by getting started today. Remember, we offer a 7-day money-back guarantee that lets you get started and try the AP Marketplace risk-free. So get back with the person that shared this information with you, and they'll walk you through the next steps. But before I let you all go, we have a special one for you all tonight. I have a special guest that is coming on that is going to show you live verified results and is doing phenomenal trading with artificial intelligence. I know folks are like, listen, I've seen Forex coming down my timelines before on my social media. Some folks are just showing wins. Just show me the money. Let me see the real results. So without further ado, I would like to pass the mic off to Mr. Compound, Corey Brown. What's going on, brother?
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Phenomenal presentation. I love it every time we do this presentation. This brings me back to why I actually started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to share these live verified results with you all. Let me just move everybody to the side here on Zoom. All right. So this is what's called a MyFXBook. Just like Tony alluded to a little earlier, we were manual traders for about a year. And then we found artificial intelligence. It's just that for me personally, my consistency wasn't there as I needed it to be. And, you know, I have a regular day job. So the artificial intelligence actually runs for me while I'm at work. So I won't necessarily can't be at the charts all day. So basically, this is a balance, a U.S. balance deposit of $245, a 33% gain. I mean, right off the bat, the 33% gain just really stands out because I haven't seen the 33% on anybody's or my returns, at least on my money personally. But also, you can also see the overall profits right here. The overall profits on this account is $81, as well as the balance. The new balance is $326. So if you see here, where my mouse is, December 2nd is when the account got started. And now we on January 5th. So maybe about a month or so, that's 33% in like 30 days. So that's phenomenal. You can see here the transparency that the MyFXBook has. It shows actually the profitability of, what is it here? 94%. That's amazing. It took 16 trades, and out of 16, it won 15. So I think that is amazing as well, that you can see the transparency and exactly what the software is doing for you. Instead of you just thinking that the robot is just doing its own thing. On top of that, you can track every single trade that was taken out by line item. So you can see the open date, the close date, if it was a buy or sell, and the best thing is the profits. And you see here that one loss that we was talking about earlier. But overall, again, $81 was the overall profit in a month. But let's take it to somebody that has a little higher balance, because we talking about percentages. You know, we talking about 50% on this account right here, and off of a $1,700 deposit. This person made $518, and this account was started November 23rd. So you see here the overall balance, the drawdown. You know, that's something that when you make your deposit, that's the money that's being used to make you profit. So out of $1,700, only 15% was actually used to make his overall 51% gain. And you see this account wasn't started that long ago to where we at now. And overall, you can see again that it took 28 trades and 96%. Again, you can see the overall monthly gain, where you can see in the month of December, 47.9%. Ladies and gentlemen, I thought we was in a recession, or not a recession, but a pandemic, I should say. And you see here, this account continued to grow through the stimulus, through everything that's going on right now. So what I want to do here is I want to show one more account, because this individual, we really pride ourselves on letting people know that this is for the beginners or the newbies and experienced traders. This right here is a newbie, we'll say. This is Tony's best friend's grandmother's account, and she knows nothing about Forex or anything like that, but she's profiting by hitting an approve button. And that's the phenomenal thing about this software right now. Just admitting somebody in the room, but you see here, again, 51% on this account, $532 in profit. I don't know what financial instrument or what bank or anything will give us these type of returns, but look, from an accountant perspective, this is phenomenal. These are the most exciting numbers I've ever dealt with in my life. And let me go to the Forex 21 calculator. I'm not sure if anybody is familiar with this calculator, but the Forex 21 calculator shows you how you can compound your money and the effect that it will have in the long run. So my goal is to actually put a down payment on a house by, the end of this year. So I just want to work my balance up to a $5,000 balance. And based off of that $5,000 balance, we've seen some phenomenal figures, but I just want 10%. I don't want to be greedy. And at the end of the day, let's compound this over the next 12 months. And my $5,000 balance will literally compound to $15,692 if I continue to let it compound. And that is the power of compound interest, which is the eighth wonder of the world. So look, we've seen some phenomenal things tonight. I'm just going to actually open up for any questions. Matter of fact, I think we actually have a few people on here that can actually share a testimony, a live testimony. Mr. Young, are you there, sir?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Awesome.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sorry about that. You saw me earlier. I was driving, trying to do 1,000 things at one time, and I just made it to my house. I'm actually inside. As you can see, I'm still on my phone. But man, listen, I'm gonna tell you like this. I've had the opportunity to do business for a long time down through the years. All of my success is verified in the marketplace. My partner and I run a multi-million-dollar construction company successfully for the last 5 years. And man, the last thing I need is another place to spend my time that's not going to yield some fruit, right? And so that basically sums up why you see me on this call, why I'm on the call every time we have a call, because man, what we're doing with this is showing people how to put their money in a place where they have full control and they have something that can scan the globe. The artificial intelligence, the lens that AI is looking through is way better than the lens I look through, right? So it's looking at different indicators and different things about the market that we just don't know. And I told, I'm real transparent, man. I was actually trading and manually trading for years, right? And even with cryptocurrency, y'all know me, they call me Bitcoin Lou. I do well in crypto. Been doing well in crypto for years, but at the same time, crypto required me to say, I need some kind of artificial intelligence. But man, the Forex market, crypto is inside of the Forex market. This is a multi-trillion-dollar market each and every day. So when I found out that artificial intelligence could work for me in this market, man, I'm not a cliche saying guy, but man, a no-brainer is exactly what it is. I'm seeing people who have never had any kind of trading experience come in and realize profits that I've never seen before in my life. You know what I mean? People that if in the financial world, somebody comes in and invests their money and in a few days make over 10%, you consider the genius. You know what I mean? So I'm just flat out excited about the camaraderie that we have here, people that are actually trading and really making the money, putting their mouth to work, you know what I mean? Because listen, when it all comes down to it, men lie, women lie, but Lord knows, man, I have not seen these numbers lie at all. And it's just the facts, man. I'm excited. And anybody that know me, man, know if I get excited, it's a wrap. I mean, I look forward to doing some major things with this and putting everybody who I know, like, and love in the position of having some software working for them while they sleep. And with that, sir, man, I turn it back over to you.
I can do a testimonial if you guys like.
Yes, ma'am. Of course, of course.
Hey, everybody. My name is Amy Dangerfield, and I've been trading with artificial intelligence now for the last couple of years. So I've been involved in other platforms before, but the reason why I decided to plant my flag here with Avoria Prime, well, there's several reasons, many of which Tony covered in the presentation. Firstly is the ease of accessibility of somebody who's literally brand new, getting started, literally has the step-by-step plan to be able to get their software set up, to get it running, and to get profitable very, very quickly. with any other platform that I've been a part of, literally the learning process was so excruciatingly painful that a lot of people quit before they were even able to let the software see results just because of the difficulty in getting set up. Over here, it's literally paint by numbers. A 10-year-old could probably figure out the system. More on that is the actual results and profitability of the software without the downside. With a lot of other expert advisors that I've seen, yes, they're profitable, but the drawdown and the stress that people often experience when using tools like that sometimes make it more trouble than it's worth. Here, I have not seen that in my experience. And obviously, it's not just me saying that. We have the verified results to be able to back it up, the verified MyFXBooks. You'll see a lot of people in this industry who say they're profitable, who'll say that they're successful. The only question you should ask them is, can they put their money where their mouth is? Can they back it up with verified results? Because marketers sure know how to spin a good narrative, but at the end of the day, all that matters is the cold, hard facts, the money that they've actually made in the markets. You don't know if they're sending you screenshots of a demo account. You don't know if they're doing a custom view and hiding, 95% of their failed trades and only showing you the winning ones, okay? You need full transparency and accountability. And that's what we're able to provide with this platform, not just for one software, but for every single software that we have. So, we've already seen a lot of FX books here. I actually have some available for literally every single software that our platform provides. So if you are wanting to see more information, please don't hesitate to message me, or even I'll send them through to Tony or to Lou or to Corey to post up in the compound trading group. But guys, yeah, just honestly, make sure that you review the data. At the end of the day, the facts are going to speak more to you than anything that this presentation can. Okay, so just do yourself the service of going and checking it out.
Drop the mic. I'm going to leave it at that. Listen, folks, if you would like to start going into profit mode trading with artificial intelligence by hitting an approve button, please get back with the person that shared this information with you. Join the DMV compound trading chat. Listen, take care, take charge. God bless, and I'll see you soon.